What is this exceptional item? What is this extraordinary item? See, exceptional items, I'll put it here. Exceptional items, these are all the income or expense that are normal, that are within the normal course of business. But they are considered as exceptional because they are of such size, they are of such nature. Okay, so it is considered very important to have a separate disclosure. Okay, so exceptional items means they are also income or expenses in the normal course of business only, but they are of some big size or they are of such nature. Okay, let me give you some example. Let's say there is a loss on account of sale of an asset. See, selling an asset is a normal activity only, but this asset is a big asset, and so the loss is of such size. Okay, so it is shown as an exceptional item. Or let's say a factory is closed, right? So there is a restructuring cost involved. Or let's say some inventories we are going to write off, they have become obsolete, or some debtors, they are not going to make payment at all, we are going to write off. These are all within the normal course of business only. They are within the normal course of business only, but we are calling it as exceptional because they are of such size or nature. Okay, so these are basically part of business operations, but they are unusual, so they have to be shown separately. That is exceptional items. Then what is this extraordinary items? These are all income or expenses that is not because of the normal activity. They are not from ordinary activity. Okay, they are from one-off activity. Okay, it means these activities are not expected to recur. They will not be repeated. They will not be happening again and again. That's what we call as extraordinary items. Let's say, for example, there is a loss because of earthquake. That's an extraordinary item. There is a loss because of flood or fire. This is not going to happen now and then or every time. So we call it as extraordinary. Or let's say government has taken over the assets. That is extraordinary. These are outside the normal business activities. They are rare, they are abnormal. So you have to see whether there are any exceptions, because sometimes what will happen, the exceptional items or extraordinary items will give sudden boost to the profit or will bring down the profit. Okay, so it may either give a sudden boost to the profit or it can pull down the profit. In either scenario, it should not be considered as permanent, or it should not be considered as recurring. Got it? Right.
Thank you for watching this webinar. I am sure you have derived value from this webinar. And if you wish to learn more, I have some good opportunity for you. What is that? Check out.
It is this Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course, exclusively designed for bankers and for those who want to have bankers' point of view. This is a course which we have developed after a detailed analysis, a thorough discussion with several hundreds of bankers and finance professionals. We have identified what is their exact requirement when it comes to SME and corporate credit and financial analysis. In this mastery bundle, I'm going to give you access to various courses. To start with, we have course number 1, Basics of Credit Analysis. In this course, we have explained the basics of credit analysis through various sections, section 1 to 9. Next comes course number 2, that is how to read balance sheet. In this course, we have explained what is balance sheet, how to read them, how to approach them by using real life financial statements. Then comes course number 3, how to do financial ratio analysis like a banker. In this course, we have explained all critical ratios that are analyzed by the bankers, and we have also explained through case studies. Then we have course number 4, how to do cash flow analysis. So through this course, you will understand what is cash flow analysis, how to do a typical cash flow analysis. We have used case studies, and reference to Ind AS is also included in this course. Then we have course number 5, that is how to do fund flow analysis. This is a critical financial analysis tool, and in this course you will learn what is fund flow statement, how to analyze them from banker's angle, how to prepare fund flow statement from academic angle as well. So overall 5 courses, each 1499. So aggregate price should be 7495, but you are not going to pay that. For you it's just rupees 2499 for 1 year access, or rupees 4999 for lifetime access. And it is not yet over, you have some more bonus. Bonus is course number 6, how to carry out credit risk rating for non-trading entities. These are all the topics covered in this course. Then course number 7, it is how to carry out credit risk rating for trading entities. Not yet over. You also have access to course number 8, that is how to prepare CMA report for bank loans. It's a comprehensive course which will run for 8 plus 5 hours, and you will learn entire CMA report preparation process. And course number 9, how to prepare cash budget for bank loans. Course number 10, how to assess fund-based working capital. So in this course you will understand what is working capital, what are working capital credit facilities, and how to assess them, what are the key ratios that are related to working capital, and what are the additional key analysis that will be done by bankers on working capital matters. You will get a comprehensive understanding of cash credit, export finance, and there are certain on-demand videos as well. So 5 plus 5, 10 courses of value close to 15,000 rupees, but you are going to get it for 1 year access rupees 2499, lifetime access rupees 4999. Not yet over. You are going to get access to the 11th course, how to assess non-fund based credit facility. So in this course you will learn about letter of credit, bank guarantee, its assessment as well. Then comes course number 12, how to do term loan appraisal and assessment, because it's a complex process with a lot many technicalities. So this course covers all in detail. And course number 13, basic elements of loan proposal. So how a typical loan proposal will be, what are the basic elements that are covered in this course. And we have course number 14, case study on credit analysis, various case studies based on practical experience and discussion with various bankers and finance professionals are included in this course. And course number 15, this is about collateral securities, where you get knowledge about collateral securities. So overall it's 15 courses of value close to 22,485. It's 1,000 plus lectures. You can subscribe for 1 year access or lifetime access as you wish. These are all pre-recorded courses, so you can access them anytime as per your convenience. You can access them in mobile app or desktop, and for you the price is not 22,485, it is rather 2,499 for 1 year access or 4,999 for lifetime access. You can check the link in description, where without using any discount coupon code you can enroll at this discounted price, because it's a discount applied link. And not yet over, you're also eligible for some more bonus. The bonus is access to various ebooks and e-resources. You are going to get access to various financial ratios ebooks, financial management related ebooks. You will get access to financial analysis related ebooks, credit analysis ebooks. Not yet over, you will also get access to other resources like test series, templates, audiobooks, video books, career guidance material, and a bonus resource. Check the link in description and enroll now.